So compassion in its most basic form is being moved in our depths by the experiences of another, such that we respond in ways that intend to ease the suffering or promote the flourishing of another. And that's the most simple definition of compassion that we can offer from the way that we study and practice it. And so compassion is important because it's the core skill that grounds our approach to anti-racism. That compassion is how we connect to the truth of who we are. It's how we see others as fully human. And compassion is the path by which we understand what it means to be created in the image of God. So for us, compassion forms the foundational lens of how we view and interpret the way that racialization impacts our worldview and our bodies. And that lens orients us to the way we study race.